guys, we got our MF-01x Beetle out today for the Poor Boys RC Speed Run Challenge. This will be our first run with the body. Yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. We got the new swing arms, which should be give a little extra distance or steering control, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's more of a shakedown. We're still using stock pinion and our X-Team 5400 RPM or KV, along with our URGENEX 2S. We're using these guys. We're just seeing how she rolls. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Oh, might need my GPS.
You did bring it, right?
Well, I hope I put it in my pocket. Yes, I sure did. Hopefully this is catching.
It looks like it's doing good on you. It's not moving as much.
Yeah, it seems like it's not jiggling. Hopefully we figured out some of our problems with the head rig, and we're testing out our GoPro, which was donated to our channel by Team Junkyard Dog. Go check him out. Great guy. He'll be in the challenge. I think I finally met him last year. He was in this challenge. So hopefully this is waiting for the satellites to connect. Get my trim figured out. Go right down. Yeah. Ho ho! She's going pretty fast, nice and straight. She's not really that squirrely. Full speed. So we got full speed. Let's give her one more spin. Again, this is 2S70C lipos from URGENEX. Ooh, but she landed on her feet. That's not too bad. So we'll see what we got. Looks like the front clips came off. Maybe I lost a wheel. Oh, the wheel probably popped off. Thank you. I appreciate it. So average max is 34. Yeah, that was just wind speed, it looks like. Yeah, it was 34. It's on the top there. We'll give it another pull because she's still recording.
It did look like, was it broken? Yeah, it did.
Oh yeah, my steering column popped off. I had a feeling that they're not as strong. Looks like we lost a spring. So let the cartage begin, guys. But she really didn't, I don't think it was the air that was causing it. This was just me, you know, braking, acting like a fool. Let's see if we can find a part. It's not a bad shakedown though. Time to gear up and get her smoother. The shock is red. Oh, we got the shocks. Oh no, we're not missing anything. It just popped out. All right, it's just a dog bone. Dog bone popped out. This tie rod right there. It's not a big deal. That's probably why I was all squirrely. Let's see if it'll drive back home. No way. It's three-wheeling. So the one wheel's not even contacting the ground. But she looks cute. I like it. It's like a clown car. This is our true clown car, Lord. So like and subscribe, guys. We'll get her fixed up and we'll get out for another run. Ah, there goes the GPS. I know. I'll go get it. Well, told you I was gonna break this guy. Ooh, I should have stopped while I was ahead. So we got 2 dog bones. That's weak points. We learned something. These are weak point. I did mention that in another video that I want to change that out. So that's good to know. Everything else pretty much holding together. Shock, come off. Not a big deal. We'll get some bench time on her. And we stayed at 34. So no extra speed with the body. We slowed down a little. We'll work on that. Next is yeah, it is what it is. See you when I see you guys. Peace.